Okay guys, welcome back with another and very important lecture. Clear, this video is going to be very special. Clear, since in this video I'm going to teach you past perfect tense. Clear, this is a bit boring as well as a bit confusing. Clear, so I need your full attention here, but I will try my level best to explain this in very easy and very clear way to you all. Clear. So now this video, I mean this topic that I'm going to teach you now is past perfect tense. Clear? Past perfect tense is also called pluperfect tense. As I have already mentioned here, past perfect tense is also called pluperfect tense. Clear? We also called past perfect tense as a pluperfect tense. Clear? This was the first point. Come to the second point. A past perfect tense shows two actions. Clear? The function of past perfect tense is to show two actions. Clear? It doesn't show any single action or other actions except two actions. Clear? So I'm not just let me explain, tell you once again. I told to you in the beginning. Clear? In the very first videos I told to you I'm just teaching you the tenses with their major cases. I'm not teaching you their sub cases. Clear? Although each tense carries 9 or 10 cases. So these are the major cases. Similarly, we also discussed parts of speech with their general, just I just defined parts of speech generally. Clear? I didn't go through their types, their cases. Clear? Once I will cover all these things generally, then we will move with them in detail. Clear? Because I want you to first be clear about all these things. I want to just mentally you make active. Clear? So now past perfect tense is also called pluperfect tense. First point. Come to the second point. Past perfect tense shows two actions. Past perfect tense always shows two actions in which the first action happens before another action. Is it clear? Now look, past perfect tense shows two action when the first action happens before another action. Clear? How does first action happens before another action? Now look, come to the third point. The first action is shown by past perfect tense. Is it clear? Past perfect tense shows the first action. Is it clear? As I said in the previous lines, past perfect tense shows two actions when the first action happens before another action. So the first action is being shown by past perfect tense, and the second action is shown by simple past tense. Clear? Simple past tense shows the second action and past perfect tense shows the first action. Clear? Now come towards the structure for past perfect tense. Clear? We have already studied the structure for simple past tense. If you have no idea, just go back to the previous videos. There you will find. Clear? You will find simple past tense in detail, their structure, examples, and definition. Clear? So here I have just displayed the structure for past perfect tense, and that is, first we use subject for positive, then we use had, then third form of verb, and rest of the sentence. Rest of the sentence means object and complement. Clear? Then for negative we use subject, then had, then not, then verb third, and rest of the sentence. For interrogative, first we use had, then we use subject, then we use verb third, and rest of the sentence. For negative interrogative we use had, then we use subject, not, then verb third, and then rest of the sentence. So this is the structure for past perfect tense. Clear? So now come to these three structures. Clear? As I said, past perfect tense is used to show two actions. Clear? So now look, I have just mentioned here two different structures. The first structure is for simple past tense, and the second structure is for past perfect tense. As I said, the first action is shown by past perfect tense, and the second action is shown by simple past tense. Clear? The structure first structure, first we use conjunction before, then we use simple past tense. Simple past tense always shows second action. Clear? Then past perfect tense shows the first action, but do not forget to add comma between simple past tense and past perfect tense. Clear? Keep one thing more in your mind. If the conjunction comes at the starting, you will have to then use the conjunction. The conjunction should be used with simple past tense, and then you will have to put a comma and then past perfect tense. If you want to use past perfect tense first, then you will have to add conjunction before between past perfect and simple past tense to combine the two structures. Clear? Then there you're not supposed to use any comma. I hope it's clear to you all. Then come to the second structure. First we use when, then we use simple past tense, then comma, then past perfect tense. Clear? Past perfect tense shows first action and simple past tense shows a second action. If you use past perfect tense first, clear, then you will have to just change the position. The position of when plus simple past tense should come second, and first you need to use past perfect tense. Clear? Then come to the third structure. Here we use conjunction after, then past perfect tense, comma, and simple past tense. Clear? Here the conjunction after, with the conjunction after we need to use past perfect tense first, and then comma and simple past tense. You may also change the position of tenses. Clear? You may also use first simple past tense, and then you will have to add after, then past perfect tense. At that time you are not supposed to use a comma. Is that clear? So that is different, the name, like loose structure and rapid structure. Clear? Sentence. Okay, then come to the examples. You will further come to know how do we use past perfect tense if I discuss the examples. Clear? Look, before I reached at home. Clear? Before I reached at home. This is simple past tense. Then comma, the guest had already left. Is it clear? So look, before I reached mean I reached at home later. First the guest had left. Is it clear? This action happens second and this action happens first. You may also change the structure like the guest had already left before I reached at home. Is it clear? But keep the point that is a past perfect tense shows first action and simple past action shows second action. Clear? Then come to the second example. When we went Ali's room. Clear? It's second action. When we went, simple past tense. Comma, he had already slept. Is it clear? He had already slept means this action of sleeping was happened first, and then the action of going to Ali's room happened second. Is it clear? You may also change the position. He had already slept when we went Ali's room. Is it clear? Then after the guest had left, I reached at home. Is it clear? Now look, with the conjunction after we use past perfect tense, then comma, then simple past tense. Is it clear? Now look here, you may also change the position. The guest had not left. It's negative. It's negative, and I also just changed the position of the tenses. Clear? The guest had not left before I reached at home. Is it clear? So this was all about past perfect tense, and I tried my level best to explain it in the very easy and clear way. So I know this video got much time, but try to watch the video completely from starting to ending. Clear? And it's my humble request to you to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so you may receive the coming lectures. Clear? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.